Welcome back to the channel. Today we have got the JBL Partybox 710 as a upgrade for our channel. So we will do a unboxing and get the first impression from the speaker. So let's unbox it. So here we have the box. It says on the box, powerful JBL original Pro sound. Dynamic, colorful, customizable light show here. It is IPX4 splash proof. You can pair your speakers for an even bigger sound if you have multiple JBL speakers. It has easy to grip handle and robust wheels, and even it has guitar and microphone inputs, which is really good. It's powerful bass boost. Let's turn the box around. Partybox 710. And here on the other side, looks like this. It has 800 watts of output power, really good. And here it says the same things. And on top, you can see how to take the speaker out from the box. So let's see if it is so easy to unbox it. So let's open the box. And yeah, it really is a big box to open. Oof. And then here. Okay. Here we have, I think this is just an empty box, or I can open it real quick. Oh, it's actually not. It has, oh, here we have the quick start guide, the manual, and in here is the charging cable for it. A European version and American version, I think. And then it's nothing else here, so let's see now. I think we're gonna need to tilt this box down to take out the speaker. So let's take it out. And then I need to tilt it like this. It's quite heavy. I think it weighs about 30 kilograms. That is why it's quite hard to get it out. Yeah, you can hear it. It sounds quite funny. Okay, there we go. Let's take these out here. Wow. Yeah, you can. Okay. So yeah, this fell on the floor, but yeah, let's continue now. I need to see, I think we have the wheels here. So this is the bottom. I think we should. It's quite heavy. But if you're gonna get it out like this. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, we have to do like that. I think that's more easy. And then we have to lift it up in some way. Sorry if maybe you cannot see so much, but yeah, there we go. So now I'm just gonna need to remove this. Okay. Yeah, here we have it. The Partybox 710. So this was everything that we got in the box. The speaker and all of these parts. This is nothing really useful. And also this box is now empty. Here we have the power cable we're not gonna use, but we're gonna use this one because we live in Europe. So the design of this speaker is very good. It is mostly plastic and it is a quite tall speaker. It's gonna take up a lot of space. But let's connect this power cable to it. First here. And then we need to open this. And then we have here. Okay, ooh, yeah, look at this design. It is good. It has everything it needs to be a good speaker, you can see. And is it here? If we open here, oh, okay, so here we have quite a lot of text here as well, but it looks like here we have, if you have microphone, guitar inputs, you can change their volume inputs here, gain 1, gain 2, daisy chain if you want to connect another speaker with cable in and out. Here if you connect 2 speakers here with the true wireless stereo, I think it is. And here we have aux cable if you want to connect with the aux cable from the device to the speaker, and you can even charge a device here with the USB out port. Okay, we can leave it open. And this, look at this big hole here. I can stick in my arm here. It is like for the exhaust port from the woofers, and it's gonna be here. Yes, here you connect the power cable like this. So it has a very good design. You can even lean it on the side as well, on these orange things. Let's connect the speaker to my phone. So we move the speaker to the floor so you can see the top and the buttons better. So the buttons we have first here bass, treble and echo. These buttons are just, I think you can only use them when you have the microphone or guitars connected to the speaker. You cannot use it with normal music. These, I have no idea. We can try them out when the speaker is turned on to see what they do. And here we have to turn the lights on and off. And here we have to change which light mode you are using. We have the Bluetooth button, bass boost button, the on button, and here we have play and pause and the volume dial. So yeah, this speaker is quite big. And you also have this stand here, so you can place your phone. Very good. The wheels on the bottom cannot roll when the speaker is placed. You have to lean the speaker backwards so they can roll. Let's turn it on. And it takes quite some time for these JBL Partybox speakers to turn on. But yeah, look at those lights. And there it connects. So let's see. We're gonna do a sound test, but also just note that this speaker has no built-in battery, so you have to keep it connected to the wall outlet. But let's see here. Gonna see, not too loud, but we're gonna see how it sounds like. You see here, when you change the volume like that. And then here. That one looks quite cool. Let's see how it sounds like. I'm gonna skip here. Oh yeah, good, very good sound here. Let's try the bass boost. Wow, very much bass, very good lights. Oh! Yeah, wow. That is a good sound here. So yeah, this speaker, from the first impression, from the first sound that we ever listened to the speaker right now, I can really say that it sounds very good. The bass is very good. You can hear it so well and it's loud, and also when you change these lights here. But that is also, we have the bass boost. If you turn it off, then it's more calm bass. But you can really have a lot of bass if you want to. Well, you have 2 different levels on the bass boost. So yeah, really awesome. Yeah, so let's test what these 3 buttons do here. We press here. Oh, okay, we have some sound effects. And then, yeah, that's quite cool. You can use those as like sound effect to the sound. So you can do like this. So now we are coming towards the end of this video. I'm going to test the last things on the speaker. Firstly here, how it rolls. So you just lean it back like this and you can roll it easily. Where anywhere where the ground is flat, you can roll it like this. And then let's see if we can place it down on the side. It's just to do it like this. so we can play, yeah, like this if you don't want it to stick up in the air so much. So if we look quickly also, I forgot to mention about the woofers, or in the front. You cannot see them so much, but we have two woofers here. I think they are 8-inch, and we have tweeters up here. And that's about all. Then we have the lights and the bass port here on the back. So to summarize this unboxing, our first impression from the speaker is that it is a really good speaker with the sound. It sounds absolutely amazing, has great light show, really good features, but the biggest drawback is that you don't have a battery. So it is a perfect speaker if you want to use it like indoors or outdoors in your backyard where you can have power, but you cannot take the speaker out to the forest if you don't have like some sort of generator with you, because it has no battery and it is quite heavy. But yeah, a very good speaker. In the future we will do more videos with the speaker as well. You can let us know in the comments if you want to see some specific type of video, and also give it a like, this video, if you enjoyed this unboxing. But yeah, thank you for watching.